Hi, good morning, students. Last week we saw the first volume questions. First volume, we are discussing the first volume. Today we are going to see the second volume questions. There is a important questions in 2 marks. Today we are discussing important 2 marks. First one, the state law of mass of action. Already you know that the given temperature are directly proportional to the mass of action, called law of mass of action. The second one, the state Lee-Chartley principle. The Lee-Chartley principle means in the disturbance of the nullifier of the equation of disturbance, there is a state Lee-Chartley principle. What is Q? What is Q? Already you know that what is Q? Under condition of the reactant to product in the equilibrium, called what is Q. Another one, the state Henry's law. Another one, what is osmosis. Another one, define molarity and normality. Another one, define formal charge. Next one, what is what is mean the hybridization? The intermixing of orbitals called hybridization. Another one, describe the Poisson's rules. Next one, which bond is strong, sigma or bibond Y? There is that completely this one. Now go to important 3 mark questions. First questions, write note on homologous series. Second one, what do you mean RF? Third, what is partition chromatography? Fourth one, give the structure for the following compound: 1,3-ethyl, 2-methyl, 1-pentene. Next one, 1,3,5 dimethyl cyclohex 1-ene. The following structure compound, you can write the name or structure. Another one, write short note on the resonance and hyperconjugation. And next one, how will you converted ethyl chloride into one ethane, another one N-butane. Seventh one, what is Haeckel rule? Next one, Haeckel rule means the 4n plus 2 rules. 8th one, what is green chemistry? 9th one, how is acid rain formed? 10th one, define smoke. So dear student, 3 mark I completely. And next go to important 5 marks. 1, explain the Van de Graaff equation. Already you know that. Already repeat the questions in examination. Second one, derive the relation between the Kp and Kc. Another one, what is relative lowering of vapor pressure? Fourth one, discuss the formation of N2 molecules using molecular orbital theory. Fifth one, explain paper chromatography. Sixth one, explain optical isotopy with suitable example. Seventh one, explain the Markovnikov rule with suitable example. These questions repeat again in the quarterly, halfly. Next one, in percentage of chlorine, 0.24 gram an organic compound gave 0.28 gram of silver chloride. In the Carri's method, calculate the percentage of chlorine in the compound. Next one, explain how does greenhouse effect cause global warming. 10th one, how does classical smoke form the photochemical smoke. So dear students, these questions, 5 mark questions, these are questions are very important. I guess maybe for the examination, so study carefully at home. Thank you.